Gary Blake. I want to be your real estate expert. Today I'm going to talk to you about working without a net. A lot of people want to sell their home without a realtor. And I have some warnings for you. Miranda, can I have those contracts? There are pages and pages of legal contracts to get your transaction closed. Some of the protections are there for you, some of the protections are there for the other party. You need to understand what's at risk. You can't just do this like you're buying a used car. When you sign a contract to buy a house, it's a legal agreement, and you can't just decide, I changed my mind. And that's how it protects the other party also. Some of the things that people miss when they're buying a house, big ones, are seller's disclosure. If you do not have the seller's disclosure in your hands before you sign the agreement, you can get out of the agreement at any time. If you're a buyer, that works to your advantage. If you're a seller, you just lost a buyer, and there's nothing you can do about it. State law. The seller's disclosure is a very important document because it will protect you from the seller misrepresenting the property. If you can prove the seller lied on the disclosure, it's easy to go back and get reimbursed for whatever damages were caused from the lie. Lead-based paint disclosures on any home built before 1978. Big lawsuits about lead poisoning for children. They'll start licking the walls or something and get lead-based paint poisoning them. And I've seen a lot of lawsuits over that. That disclosure needs to be done properly for any home before 1978. That protects both the buyer and the seller. Title insurance is another big topic. It's very simple, actually. The title company takes care of all of it, but you need to make sure you have the title search done, make sure any outstanding liens are taken care of, because people will come back and try to attach them to the house, even though the seller who owed it is long gone. One interesting point, the contracts are legal documents. Your realtor is not an attorney, but your realtor is an expert on these particular documents. So part of my expertise is being able to fill out these documents properly and explain them to you so you understand what you're signing. The purchase agreement is 7 pages, and if you want me to, I'll sit and go through every stinking line with you because you need to know what you're signing.